The first time I drove an electric car, I felt like I was in a sci-fi movie. No engine noise, instant torque, sleek dashboard. Everything felt futuristic. But a few months into ownership, the excitement started wearing off. Don't get me wrong, EVs are cool. But nobody tells you about the daily frustrations that come with owning one. The stuff that makes you question if saving the planet is worth this much hassle. Let's start with charging. Ah, yes, just plug it in overnight, they said. Sounds easy until you realize you live in an apartment, or your garage doesn't have a fast charger, or worse. You're on a road trip and every single charging station on your app is in use, out of service, or charging at the speed of a garden hose. You sit there in the middle of nowhere, watching your car juice up at 6% per hour while reconsidering all your life choices. Meanwhile, the guy with a gas car fills up in 3 minutes and is halfway to his destination. And then there's range anxiety. It's real. You're constantly doing math in your head. Okay, I have 120 miles left. The grocery store is 5 miles away. But there's a hill. Will I make it back? Should I turn off the AC? Long drives become strategic battles. You avoid spontaneous detours, and God forbid you forget to charge it overnight. Your whole day's plan is wrecked. Let's talk about battery life. Most people think EVs are maintenance-free. And yes, you skip oil changes and spark plugs, but when that battery starts to degrade, replacing it can cost more than the car is worth. And unless you're leasing or planning to sell it in a few years, that long-term cost creeps up on you. It's like buying a smartphone that you can't upgrade. Only this one weighs 2 tons and cost you 50 grand. Oh, and winter. Forget about it. Cold weather kills battery range. That 250-mile range car? You're lucky if it gets 180 when the temperature drops. Want heat? That uses battery. Heated seats? Battery. Wipers. Defroster. Headlights. You guessed it. More battery. Suddenly, you're layering up like you're in an ice fishing hut just to save a few extra miles. Now let's address the repair nightmare. EVs are loaded with tech. Great when it works, frustrating when it doesn't. You can't just go to your regular mechanic. You need a certified EV technician, and they're not exactly on every corner. A single sensor failure could leave you stranded until the dealership can get the part. Maybe in a week, maybe in a month. And for all the green appeal, let's not pretend these cars are angelic. The mining process for lithium, cobalt, and nickel? It's not pretty. And while you're feeling smug about reducing emissions, remember, your electricity might still come from a coal plant. So, why does it suck to own an EV? Because behind the shiny ads and eco-friendly branding, there's a reality that's messy, inconvenient, and expensive. It's not about hating the technology, it's about being honest. EVs are the future, yes. But right now, for many people, they're a futuristic headache on wheels. And until charging is as quick as a gas fill-up, batteries last longer, and infrastructure catches up, owning an EV will still feel like you're beta testing the future with your own wallet.